Let me show you how to make Zopf. It's a Swiss bread that uses a 2-strand braiding technique. You first make 2 dough ropes of equal sizes and then make them into a cross, layering one underneath and one on top. Then you cross one of the strands over left over right, and then you alternate and go right over left. And you just continue this process. Left over right. And then once again, you're going to go right over left. You're just alternating with the 2 strands. And it takes time to learn this process, so don't worry about it. Just keep practicing. Then you go left over right, right over left. And sometimes as you get at the bottom, it helps to pull them a little bit out. Left over right. And then right over left. You're almost there. Left over right, and then you just tuck it under and you're all set. Great. I'm going to show you another loaf. Here we are again with the 2 strands. One's underneath, one's on top. Left over right, and then right over left. Sometimes if I stop doing it, I forget, so I just keep going. Here's left over right, and then right over left. For me, it actually works to say it out loud while I'm doing it, and then I don't lose track. Left over right, right over left, and you can see again I'm pulling it out a little bit. Left over right, right over left, nearly there. Left over right, right over left, and then you're about ready to just tuck it under, and these are ready for an egg wash and to be baked. And here they are, ready for some jam and butter. If you want this recipe and more, check out my book, Swiss Bread.